Hey, grade 8. Welcome back to Learning is Easy with Teacher Fish. Today we are learning how to make our writing smooth, clear, and connected. We call this revising for coherence and cohesion. And to make it fun, we will use the clever West African folktale Anansi the Spider. Anansi is a tricky little spider who loves to play clever tricks to get what he wants. But imagine if his story was told in the wrong order. Magiging malabo, and you'd be totally lost. That's why coherence and cohesion are super important. What is coherence? Coherence means your ideas are connected and make sense together. It is the overall flow of your text. If we tell Anansi the Spider in order, it makes sense. Anansi hears about a magical pot of wisdom. He tries to hide it from others. His plan fails, and the wisdom is shared with everyone. But if we change the order of events, for example, his plan fails, he hears about the pot of wisdom, then hides it, diba, the story gets confusing, and for sure, hindi natin ito maiintindihan. And so, here are some fish tips for coherence. Always remember, arrange events logically, beginning, middle, then end. Next, group ideas that belong together. Then read your work as if you are your own audience. Does it flow? Is there a clear start, middle, and end? Finally, rearrange or remove ideas that don't fit. Next, what is cohesion? Cohesion is how your sentences and paragraphs stick together with linking words, repeated key ideas, or consistent pronouns. Pero ano nga ba ang linking words, repeated key ideas, at consistent pronouns? Linking words are words that connect events or ideas smoothly, like first, then, after that, because, and however. While repeated key ideas emphasize important points by mentioning them more than once in a clear way. Finally, consistent pronouns keep the subject clear by using he, she, it, or they without confusing changes. Now let us have an example of how cohesion works. The original version reads, Anansi found a magical pot of wisdom. He wanted it all for himself. He climbed the tree to hide it. So now, let us look at the revised version for cohesion. First, Anansi found a magical pot of wisdom. And because he wanted the pot of wisdom all for himself, he climbed the tree to hide it. Kapag pinagsama-sama ang linking words, repeated ideas, and consistent pronouns, the story becomes smoother, madaling sundan, at mas nagiging interesting basahin. So again, let us have some fish tips for cohesion. First, use connectors like first and because. Next, repeat important words to remind readers of the main idea. And last, use pronouns like he consistently to avoid sounding repetitive while keeping the meaning clear. So it's time to check your understanding of the lesson. First, revise the events of the story for coherence. Next, revising for cohesion. Add words or phrases to the original version to link ideas smoothly. Before we end, recap time muna. So grade 8, remember, coherence is clear direction for your story, while cohesion are smooth connections between sentences and ideas. And while you're revising your work, ask yourself, does my story make sense in order? And do my ideas link well together? Great job, class. We just finished another lesson that will surely help you level up in school, life, and the future. Do not forget to watch the other lesson videos on this channel para every lesson, ikaw ang bida. See you next time.